Hey beauties, it's Arby. Welcome to another segment of skincare tips and tricks with me. Ready to pamper your dry skin with a luxurious all natural cleanser you can whip up in your kitchen. I'm obsessed with this skin loving blend of milk, honey, oats, and water. And trust me, your face will thank you for it. Let's dive into the magic of each ingredient. Milk, which is packed with lactic acid, it gently exfoliates and keep your skin feeling oh so smooth. Plus, it helps lock in moisture, making dryness a thing of the past, right? So I added about 2 teaspoons of milk, and I ended up adding the rest, which was about 1.5 teaspoon remaining. Also, honey, I added 2 teaspoons of honey as well. This golden goodie is an humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the hair and keeps your skin plump and hydrated. And don't forget its antibacterial power, keeping your complexion clear and calm. Our next ingredient is oatmeal, and I added 15 ml of our oatmeal. This finely ground beauties work as a gentle exfoliant, buffing away dead skin cells without leaving your skin feeling irritated. They're also rich in beta glucans, which forms a protective barrier for your skin, and it can really lock in moisture, right? So water, we all know how amazing water is. So we diluted the whole ingredients with this beautiful 250 ml altogether of water. But the benefits don't stop there. This dreamy cleanser also boosts antioxidant protection, which means honey and oats fight off free radicals and is so cool for your face, right? pH balancing as well. The slightly acidic nature of milk and honey mimics your skin's natural pH, which is very beautiful and harmonious and prevents irritation. So you want to try it? Then combine honey, milk, oats into a bowl and add some water, then apply gently on your face as in a circular motion as a cleanser on your face. Then voila, your beautiful skincare routine is complete with our beautiful DIY recipe. So all I'm doing right now is to pour in this beautiful face cleanser into our bottle, and ensure you store for at least 7 days because it's actually natural. We didn't really add so much preservative into it except honey. So make sure you use it within 7 days. Store in your fridge. And please take care, guys. I hope you enjoyed recipe. If you have watched this video up to this extent, like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.